The 2025 Lincoln Aviator embodies luxury at its core, delivering a premium experience that's hard to ignore, though it may not match the towing prowess of some competitors. Positioned between the smaller Nautilus and the expansive Navigator, this three-row crossover SUV bridges the gap with elegance. While it shares a platform with the Ford Explorer, the Aviator sets itself apart with a plush interior, sophisticated suspension, and a robust standard powertrain. It's designed to compete with top-tier rivals like the Acura MDX and the Audi Q7, offering a blend of refinement and performance. What's new for the 2025 Lincoln Aviator? The 2025 Lincoln Aviator continues to impress with its refined elegance, offering a straightforward lineup: the base Premier, the mid-tier Reserve, and the luxurious Black Label. At first glance, this muscular SUV doesn't stray too far from its predecessor's aesthetic, yet subtle tweaks make it feel fresh. The front end sports a larger grille complemented by a wider lower grille and sleek vertical air intakes. Slimmer LED headlights now feature sharp daytime running lights that frame the grille. While the Lincoln logo appears smaller, you can opt for an illuminated version to make it stand out. Standard 20-inch wheels provide a sturdy foundation, but the classic 22-inch turbine wheels make a welcome comeback for those who like more style. Lincoln's interior design is striking and technologically advanced. A 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster works flawlessly with a 13.2-inch touchscreen. While the new screen integration takes center stage, the dashboard design trades off elegance for utility. Fortunately, quality materials such as leather and wood trimmings enhance the cabin's refinement. The electronic gear selector is still located below the center vents, but the physical climate control buttons have been replaced with a touchscreen in keeping with recent trends. Under the hood, a twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 engine produces 400 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque. Rear-wheel drive is standard, and it is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. All-wheel drive is optional for added control. Adaptive dampers are standard, but for maximum comfort, an optional air suspension smooths out each bump. True to Lincoln's reputation, the Aviator excels at ride quality, with front seats that may be the most comfortable in its class. These heated and cooled seats, which come with up to 30 power adjustments and massage functions, may make waiting in the car feel like a luxurious hideaway. The Aviator can seat up to 7 passengers. However, most purchasers may prefer the 6-seat configuration with second-row captain's chairs. While the third row is practical, it is best suited for children because adults will find it too cramped. How much does the 2025 Lincoln Aviator cost? The 2025 Lincoln Aviator starts at $60,525, which includes a $1,595 destination fee, representing a $5,790 price increase. However, Lincoln justifies its price by including an excellent list of standard features. Active lane control, a surround view camera system, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitors are among the available safety features. Plus, Lincoln offers a 4-year trial of their Blue Cruise hands-free driving technology. Tech enthusiasts will welcome the changes, which include brilliant new screens and an integrated Google Entertainment System. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa voice commands enable seamless connectivity, while Siri and Google Voice capabilities remain available. Wireless phone charging, heated and cooled motorized front seats, a heated steering wheel, a panoramic sunroof, and a digital key are among the many comfort options. There is even a trailer tow option to increase versatility. At the top of the series, the Black Label model raises the bar with distinct interior themes and a concierge service for scheduled maintenance, but it costs close to $90,000. With its enticing combination of power, luxury, and technology, the 2025 Lincoln Aviator makes a good argument for being a premium SUV worth considering. 2025 Lincoln Aviator, styling that redefines elegance. The 2025 Lincoln Aviator effortlessly blends sophistication with bold design cues, making it a true head-turner. Its elongated dash-to-axle ratio showcases a rear-wheel drive stance that exudes grace and luxury, while the cabin offers an ambiance of timeless refinement. The Aviator's exterior earns an extra nod, and the interior secures even more accolades, bringing the styling score to a solid 8 out of 10. While rooted in the Ford Explorer's framework, Lincoln's designers have transformed the Aviator into a masterpiece of simple, flowing lines and a sleek, low-profile roofline that sweeps back like it's in motion even when standing still. The base Premier model has turbine-style wheels typical of premium escorted rides, while the Reserve adds 21-inch alloys. The Black Label trim absolutely steals the show with eye-catching 22-inch wheels, including an optional $1,500 pair of Bright Machine 22-inchers that are nothing short of spectacular. The LED daytime running lights at the front now flow perfectly into the headlamps and grille, while the powerful Lincoln inscription imprinted across the rear tailgate exudes subtle elegance. Blacked out D-pillars create the sense of a floating roof, connecting the exterior's futuristic look to the Aviator's interior. Inside, the Aviator feels like a sumptuous hideaway, particularly with the high-end Black Label trim. Imagine an old-school cigar lounge with a modern twist. Open-pore wood with detailed laser etching, elegant chrome accents, thick leather upholstery with contrast stitching, and glossy black trims combine to create a refined comfort setting. The newly revised 12.4-inch digital gauge cluster now blends perfectly into the dash, and a prominent 13.2-inch touchscreen rises beautifully like a future tablet. Purists may rue the removal of physical climate controls, which have been completely integrated into the touchscreen display. Lincoln has also broadened its chosen themes for the Black Label, each with a unique personality. The Flight theme combines rich black and warm tan, while Moonbeam creates a dazzling white-on-black look. For those seeking subtle elegance, the Invitation theme features an all-black motif, while the upcoming Onyx theme features a warm, hot chocolate vibe with inviting browns. This is more than simply an SUV, it's a mobile statement of luxury that combines traditional style with current tech. 2025 Lincoln Aviator Safety. The 2025 Lincoln Aviator is outfitted with modern safety measures intended to provide strong crash protection, though official crash test results are not yet available. Currently, it receives an 8 for safety, with room for improvement after the results are completed. Lincoln's Aviator has an excellent track record of crash performance. While the NHTSA has not yet tested the revised vehicle, its prior 5-star overall safety rating is expected to remain. Meanwhile, the IIHS gave it top good scores in most categories, with some minor flaws detected, such as driver pelvis protection and rear passenger restraint systems, preventing it from earning the prized top safety pick title. On the tech side, the Aviator comes fully loaded. Every model includes standard features such as automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, active lane control, front and rear parking sensors, and a surround view camera. It also offers automatic parking assistance and a 4-year trial of Lincoln's cutting-edge Blue Cruise hands-free driver assist system. 2025 Lincoln Aviator Features. The 2025 Lincoln Aviator strikes a perfect balance between luxury and practicality, with its opulent Black Label trim taking sophistication to the next level. The lineup is refreshingly straightforward, consisting of 3 trims, each packed with features and customization options. Its American-inspired design ethos sets it apart from its German rivals, delivering a unique blend of timeless elegance and modern functionality. All Aviator models come with a 4-year, 50,000-mile warranty, while Black Label trims go the extra mile with complimentary maintenance during this period. Scoring a strong 9 for features, the Aviator impresses with its combination of standard equipment, intuitive infotainment, and luxury amenities. Starting at $60,525, including a $1,595 destination fee. The base Premier trim is significantly upgraded this year, offering standout features like a 12.4-inch digital gauge cluster, a 13.2-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, LED lighting, keyless start, synthetic leather upholstery, and 20-inch alloy wheels. All-wheel drive is available for an additional $2,500, except on the luxurious Black Label trim. Optional upgrades include 30-way adjustable power front seats, second-row captain's chairs, and a premium audio system. Which Lincoln Aviator should you choose? The mid-tier Reserve trim hits the sweet spot for most buyers, combining luxury and value. Priced at $67,625, it comes equipped with upgraded headlights, larger 21-inch wheels, leather upholstery, and tri-zone climate control, making it a smart choice for those looking to elevate their driving experience without stretching their budget to Black Label territory.